Hello people. Yes, today we are fixing door and window contacts. Yes, it's an alarm, door and window contact alarm. So this is it. So it comes in this box. So it comes with 3 window and door contactors and then 2 shadow or motion sensors, and then it comes with a key, 2 keys, so you can use one and keep one as a spare key. And let's arm the alarm. The moment you fix it on your door and your window and somebody tampers with it, the alarm will go off. So imagine someone removes or forces your window to open. This is what will happen. Good. Yes, so that's what happens. It will make a loud noise for the neighbors to hear that somebody's tampering with your door and your window. So if you need some, contact me. We'll get you some and fix it for you so that you can protect your property.
So this is a siren. In fact, it is very small, but it's loud, really loud. So finally, this is it. Our system is plugged. And so let's test and see if somebody tried to break into the room from the window. Let's see what will happen. So that is the sensor over there. Yeah, the window contact. So let's arm it. Okay, and then let's try breaking into the room from the window. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so you see, that's what happens. Okay, it's been disarmed. The noise is really loud. Okay, so this is our door contact. Let's see what will happen if somebody tried to break into the room through the door. So this is the remote. You press the arm, the lock, and then it's armed. Now let's see what happens.